Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to What We Want, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top digital writing tools. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button, and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Grammarly. Grammarly is one of the must-use tools to make your sentence free from spelling and grammar mistakes. This is the best correction tool used by most digital writers. The usage of Grammarly is very simple and handy. It works right from installing it on your device. This is available in both free and premium versions. This is online working software that supports English keyboard only. Checking the spellings, grammar mistakes, and much more is possible in free versions. And whereas in a premium version, you can get the features like advanced grammar checking and plagiarism, which helps digital writers to make their writings error-free. If you want to know more about Grammarly, check out our article on Grammarly review. Features of Grammarly. Available for online, mobile, and desktop use. Shows the number of errors present in your content. Correction of errors is very simple. Provides you the synonyms to the selected words. Pricing. Grammarly is available in both free and premium versions. The pricing of the premium version are listed below. Monthly subscription, $29.95. Quarterly subscription, $19.98 per month, billed as a one-time payment of $59.95. Annual subscription, $11.66 per month, billed as a one-time payment of $139.95. Number 2. Google Docs. Google Docs is an application used by many digital writers to edit their content. Initially, they started using Microsoft Word to edit the content. But when it comes to features and usage, digital writers started preferring Google Docs. This is an online word processing application from Google. It is very helpful for digital writing to write, edit the content from anywhere, and supports multiple users. Users who have access to the Google Docs file can edit and save the file and changes the save to the document automatically, so that manual saving of the document is not necessary. Google Docs stores the complete edit history of the document in Google Drive, and you can access it from anywhere. This can be used for free, and the only thing you need is a Google account. To avail more features, you have to upgrade your G Suite by choosing the best plan. Features. Easy to access. Stores the complete edit history and allows to access it at any time. Online writing application, and installation is not necessary. Allows you to download the document in any format such as Docs, PDF, .odt, .txt, HTML, zipped, and EPUB. Number 3. Headline Analyzer. Monster Headline Analyzer is one of the best headline analyzer tool available in the present market. Present and SEO-friendly headline helps your content to rank higher in the competition, and recommends in the search engine. This is possible only if you write the headline as SEO-friendly using a headline analyzer tools. There are a lot of headline analyzers like Monster Insights, County Schedule, Capitalize My Title, and many more. Among them, Monster Insights is the best SEO analytics plugin that helps your content to rank higher in the search results. Headline Analyzer by Monster Insights is completely free to use, and anyone can use it from its website. Features. Simple user interface. Online tool. Free to use. Provides suggestions for powerful, uncommon, and emotional words. Number 4. Hemingway Editor. Hemingway Editor is a tool that helps you to find the errors in digital writing. Moreover, it works effectively in finding the errors in the grammar and sentence formation. The web version of Hemingway Editor is absolutely free to use, but whereas the desktop app for Windows and Mac has to pay $19.99. This helps in identifying repetitive phrases, passive voice, wordy sentences, and many more. It ranks your digital writing based on the readability of content and also provides suggestions to improve the ranking score. This is best for content writer, editors, and digital writers. Features. Clean UI. Handy to use. Provides detailed information like reading time, letters, characters, and many more. Number 5. RankMath. RankMath is a powerful and best search engine optimization tool that can be added to your WordPress website. This tool helps in making your digital writings SEO-friendly. RankMath helps to rank your writings in the search engine results. It boosts your writing with its built-in content templates and customized settings. It scores your writing based on the style, format, and media content. It also allows you to customize the metadata, title, and description easily to meet the requirements of SEO-friendly writing. Features: clean and simple interface. Built-in analytics section including Google Analytics. Ranks your posts based on keyword. Various schema generator. How to and FAQ blocks. XML sitemap. Pricing. RankMath is available in Pro and Business plans. The pricing of both the plans are displayed on the screen. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.